almost 3 to 4 episodes till now. And in these episodes, you have witnessed some of the guests who have developed their English speaking capability on their own. There was nobody to guide them to the core, and they did not attend to any of the classes, means regular classes, but still they were able to develop their English speaking capability, and still they are learning. They don't say that they are expert in English speaking, but they are continuously learning something, and this continuous learning only is giving them the new heights in English speaking, and the confidence which is increased with this continuous learning is much better, cool, comfortable for them. So let me introduce today my guest as Mr. Raj Kumar Samal. Mr. Raj Kumar Samal is, whenever I look at, feel so much energetic. I feel full of joy and enthusiasm because Raj is not only a good English speaker, but also Raj is a marathon runner. And the energy Raj exudes, it's unmatched. Welcome, Raj. Good evening.
Good evening, Alokji. Very good evening.
I
I
was
hope
just,
I'm audible.
yes, you're audible, Raj. And I just started this live, and before you came to picture, I was just talking to one or two of the members as such over there, and just describing you how Raj is. So I said, whenever I look at Raj, I feel much more energy, which is just electrifying myself. So welcome
So,
you,
so,
Raj.
so, so nice of you. So nice of you. Thank you very much.
So welcome you to this new episode of English Asan Hai with Raj Samal today. So, Raj, this show is all about the English speakers, very normal, ordinary English speakers who did not speak a very American sort of English or British sort of English, but they are continuously improving themselves with their sense of English speaking, practicing, implementing, and then learning something out of it. We are the people who are not 100% convent educated, and we are not the people who are continuously around the people who are English speaking, who are speaking English continuously throughout their day and night. So we are not the people. So what's your experience? How do you surround yourself with the people around you? Are they completely English speaking people, or they are the normal vernacular language speaking, or Hindi, or whatever they are?
It's a very tricky and very good question. As you said, we all are not predominantly from a convent background.
Right.
I had a very typical background of my schooling. Till class 4th, I did schooling from Don Bosco. It is Assam. So till class 4, I was having this convent education. Then from 5th till 10th, it was central school, Kendra Vidyalaya. It was an English medium school. So all our teachers to speak in English. Then my graduation was in Haryana.
Okay.
And you could understand in
Yes.
Haryana, and that was a town known as Yamunanagar.
Okay.
So there, if you speak English, they used to say like this, "But छोरा घड़ा अंग्रेजी बोल रहा भाई," right? And I used to stay in, because my father was an Air Force.
Yeah.
It was Sarsawa.
Okay.
So we had people from different states. Like I used to understand, like they used to speak English in Jat style.
Okay.
They used to speak English in Udiya style. They used to
Okay.
speak English in a South Indian style. Because I still remember there was one guy known as Regi.
Okay.
Regi was one uncle and his son named. So one uncle asked, Regi, Fafa kidhar hai? Because he's South Indian, Fafa kidhar hai?
Yeah.
So he said, Fafa duty gaya. Duty. So, so my upbringing in such a way that I have been with all campus, like I used to stay in campus with my dad.
Right.
So people from all across the state we used to talk to each of them. So obviously we used to speak in English, but the style was different. Not
Yes.
this which I'm speaking right now.
Okay.
It was like English. आपको पता है ना? Let's talk. So it's a mix of both.
Yes.
But we used to enjoy those days.
Right. And why this is more relevant with you, Raj, because let me tell to my viewers right now, Raj is sitting in a on a very uh, top position in one of the pharmaceutical companies. So for Raj, it becomes very imperative that he surrounds himself with the English speaking people, because he has to deal with the national and international representatives of that particular atmosphere. So how do you manage, Raj? Then when the background was not completely English speaking, and now you have to deal with the people who are in a very good English, who are groomed up in English atmosphere. So how do you cope up with those things, or how do you feel now spending so much of time in your profession, and what level do you see yourself as far as English speaking is concerned?
First of all, I'll still feel that I'm still a student of English speaking. I'm still learning, because as I strongly believe that this learning journey doesn't end. It's only end when the person is end.
Right.
So we should keep evolving. We should keep learning, keep accumulating some new words, some new phrases, some new techniques of expressing yourself.
Right.
And obviously, though my schooling was from, some part was from boarding, some part was from Don Bosco, then Central School, then my graduation. But after my graduation, I did my MBA.
Okay.
And once I was while doing my MBA, there obviously the main language was English.
Yeah.
But still, we used to enjoy, because my maximum of my time has been spent like in Delhi.
Okay.
So you can understand the type of people you are surrounded with. Like,
Yes.
all people, those were very tough.
Right.
Right. And the moment you start talking to them in English, they used to say, "यार हिंदी में बोल ले यार, मजा आता है." है ना? And then taking your question further, as I started my journey in pharmaceutical industry, there I used to
Yes.
meet doctors. We have to meet doctors.
Right.
So obviously we have to speak in English.
Right.
And then we have to talk to the doctors that these are the trials which has been conducted in so and so country.
Yes.
These are the trials which are published in so and so journals. So those things obviously we have to speak in properly.
Right.
And as I grew in my career from a medical representative to an heading a division, which is an SBU head, where I had sales and marketing both.
Right.
So obviously I have to surround myself with best people. So while seeing or while hiring a people, hiring a team member, I always take the best of the talent from the industries,
Yes.
because I know if I have the best of talent who are working with me, so then my job is easy.
Yes.
So that's what, yeah.
So, as you rightly said, Raj, because we have to keep on doing those things which we feel that we can grow there. And English is such a thing, or it's a language basically. We don't look at English from the subject point of view, because now we have to be much fluent, we have to be more conversant in English. So, did it ever happen with you that you put more attention on grammar while speaking? Because when you are talking to the doctors, we know we commit lots of mistakes. So when we talking to the doctors, sometimes it happens that some of the doctors, they are also very good English learners and very good English speakers. So did it happen any time that you felt that, यार आई एम समटाइम्स मैं थोड़ा सा कम हो गया हूँ, आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड इन ग्रामर? तो ये कभी आया कैसे ख्याल?
Yeah, actually, today, now I can see Archana Tangri, she has joined in, and she says,
Yes.
good going, Raj.
Yes.
She is my classmate. Like,
Okay.
we were together from class 6th. So we are old friends,
Yeah.
and she knows how bad I was at English. And my
Okay.
English teacher was Samuel sir.
Okay.
But what I strongly believe is that what is communication? It's like I'm talking to someone
Right.
and I'm trying to convey something, and that convey obviously it has some emotions attached to those words which I talk,
Right.
and the other person receives those communication and then he feels. And as you also know, because you are also a very good speaker, you are a very good author, you are a very good in public speaking. In public speaking,
Thank
if
you.
you see, our body language plays a very vital role.
Yes.
So it is more of almost around 65 to 70% is body language.
Body language.
Then your content, then obviously your tonality, your voice modulation, and your medium of speaking.
Yes.
And yes, you rightly said. Initially, when I started, obviously, that time grammar was like something was from here, something from there.
Yes.
Some has to manage it. But as I started understanding things, as I started understanding the logic, why it has to be attached with the before or if before or whatever,
Right.
then I started understanding the logic behind that. And then, which I missed in my school days, in my college days, I started learning those things.
Yes.
Still, if you see, still I I have a lot of grammar books with me. If I get time on Saturday, Sunday, I start writing something. So still my intention is that let's pick up some new words. Let's pick up something which I feel that I am weak at.
Hmm.
Because there's nothing wrong to convey that yes, I am weak at this thing.
Right.
But my strength is something else.
Hmm.
So obviously I need to work on my strength area.
Right.
But at the same time, I need to develop a weak area. So
Yes.
what I would like to talk to everyone and convey is that आप ये मत समझो, डोंट फील एट ऑल कि ग्रामर का क्या हालत है. ठीक है, इज इट पास्ट प्रेजेंट और पास्ट परफेक्ट और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, अब भूल जाओ.
Yes.
आप प्रेजेंट पे जियो, लिव इन द प्रेजेंट, एंजॉय दिस मोमेंट,
Right.
feel the thing which you want to convey, and use those feeling in your smile, in your body language, so other person will understand.
Yes.
And he or she will feel that this guy is wanting to talk to me, but maybe he is not good at the grammar. But if I
Hmm.
ask anyone cannot say I am the perfect person in this world.
Right.
So our intention is what? We should inch toward the perfection.
Yes.
So डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, अपन भी ऐसे ही थे, because we used to like speak half cooked, and
Yes.
if you see my accent, because I am from Odisha,
Yeah.
and an Odia guy, if he talks of passion, he will talk pass on.
That's on.
You know, my pass on is this.
Okay.
So same thing was with me also.
Yes.
I understood. Then now I try to speak properly, try to pronounce the things properly. So that's what everyone can learn and suggest and process.
Yes. Absolutely. And Harpal has also joined, and he happens to be one of the finest English speakers as far as
Hi
I
Arpal, hi,
know.
how are you?
And thank you, Archana, for your comments and being with us with Raj to motivate him. And Raj is one of the finest speakers, and we are associated together for last 1 year. 1 year, and we never feel that we are associated only with in 1 year only. And it seems like it is the long journey that we have passed together. सो राज, मुझे एक ये बात जाननी है कि बहुत बार लोग जो हैं इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पाते हैं या ऐसा सोचते हैं कि पहले मैं ग्रामर मेरी पक्की कर लूंगा फिर मैं इंग्लिश में बोलने आऊंगा. तो उनके लिए तो मैं बोलूंगा कि राज इज दी बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. जैसे राज ने बताया कि मैं उड़ीसा से चालू किया है और फिर ऐसे लेवल पर पे मैं आया हूं कि वेयर आई नीड टू हैंडल सो मेनी पीपल अंडर मी. तो बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि पहले कुछ परफेक्ट कर लें. Once we perfect the English or at least that grammar, then only we'll start speaking in with so much perfection that people will not be able to find mistakes or faults in our speaking. इसमें how do you feel when you started speaking? तो ये तो आपके भी दिमाग में आता होगा ना कि यार अभी तो अच्छी नहीं है तो कैसे कर लें ये?
Yeah. But actually, you said it right. The moment I want to speak to everyone is that I correlate this as a running bus.
Yeah.
Suppose the bus has started from maybe Mumbai, Thane to maybe Ghatkopar, right? So people feel as you board the bus at Thane and deport the bus at Ghatkopar.
Yeah.
So that is like पूरा पढ़ लूं, बराबर इंग्लिश कर लूं, तब मैं बोलूंगा.
Right.
But I have different. Bus has started from Thane,
Yes.
and on the way, maybe at Bodbandar Road, maybe at Majhiwada, maybe at Nitin Company, I will just try to get into the bus, then I will learn. So never wait that once I become perfect, then only I start talking, then I start speaking. So वो कभी जिंदगी में आने वाला नहीं है,
Yes.
क्योंकि nobody is perfect. But so what I would talk to everyone, what I would try to convey is that whatever little knowledge you have, you may have 0.0001% also.
Right.
Start speaking. अब बोलना चालू करो. Nothing is going to happen. कोई आपको गोली मारने वाला है क्या? जैसा क्या बोलेगा, आपको अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है.
Right.
But learning, the one thing should always have, you always have the attitude of taking all those feedbacks. If today Harpal says me, if today my classmate Archana speaks about that this is the thing you feel you should do it properly, I'll obviously go down my head and say thanks to them and I learn.
Right.
So once you have attitude that भले वो आपसे ऊपर हो, आपका बराबर हो या आपसे नीचे हो, everybody has certain things which we can pick up.
Absolutely.
So you shouldn't wait for that I will have, then you have to wait for Shashi Tharoor then. तो फिर तो आपको शशि थरूर से ट्रेनिंग लेना पड़ेगा आपको. So don't wait, just go and do it. What max will happen? People will laugh at you.
Right.
It's okay.
और वो शशि थरूर होते होते पता नहीं उम्र भी चली जाएगी, तब ऐसा लगेगा कि शायद
उम्र
बोल
चली
लिया
जाएगी.
होता, हमने बोल लिया होता. So that's very true, but many time it happens, Raj, like we meet somebody and who is a very good English speaker, a flawless English speaker, and we are in front of that personality and we are speaking in English, and we just judge it that we are not very good in English, and it feels very bad to us inside ourselves. We feel very bad, and at that time it happens like कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा होता है कि our confidence also goes down. अंदर से थोड़ा बहुत होता है, the confidence goes down. So that feeling is something very hazardous as far as our English speaking is concerned, our learning is concerned. It would have happened with you also at some point of time. So how did you manage those things? So even if today also it happens with you, so how do you manage those emotions? Because we have to keep on going, and you being the leader, the topmost leader of your organization, it has to be shown to the people that yes, I am firm at my position, come what may. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, भले भले ही मुझे उस समय आता हो नहीं आता हो, बट आई नीड टू फील स्ट्रांग, आई नीड टू फील कॉन्फिडेंट एट ऑल. वो इमोशंस कैसे मैनेज करते हैं जब आपके सामने कोई बहुत अच्छा इंग्लिश स्पीकर आता है, हमारी इंग्लिश उससे अच्छी नहीं है, तो हाउ डू यू डील विद दोज इमोशंस?
देखिए, this question is a question everyone. If let's assume I am a best speaker, still if I have, obviously there will be some people who will be better than me. So the moment I listen to them, if now I listen to them, then I feel that person is speaking so fluently, that person is using a lot of good words, a lot of ornamental words, right? So then there are two options each one of us undergo. One is feel that I should run away from this guy because I am feeling a little bit low, because I feel that I don't know what he knows.
Yeah.
Second thing is that if he or she is doing this, why can't I? अगर वो कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं? वो कोई चांद से तो उतरा नहीं है, वो
राइट,
वो चांद से तो उतरा नहीं है, वो यहीं से निकला है. If he or she can do it, why can't I?
right.
So this type of situation I have undergone multiple times, because I remember in my 12th class, 12th standard, we had a Colonel uncle. He was Colonel Gomes. He was best parachuter. He was a parachute skydiver, and because he was a Colonel Gomes, so he used to speak only in English.
Right.
So he doesn't understand Hindi also. So once we went for the like diving, there was a show. So somehow he came and all of us started speaking to him, and he was only speaking English. So one of our friend, he just pushed me and he said, "Bhai, क्या बोलने लग रहा है यो?" So then he said, "तू धरे रहे, मुझे संभालने दे." And I had then spoke to him. And I said, sir, it is okay, but can't you speak in Hindi?
Yeah.
Then he said, you're perfect. That I also should learn Hindi.
Okay.
Correct. So that was a situation where my friend and me both felt here how we should talk to this guy because he doesn't understand Hindi.
Yeah.
And that doesn't mean we don't know English. We know, but it's like tuta futa.
Right.
But then we said, chalo yaar, let's listen to him. वो क्या क्या बोलते हैं.
Yes.
So then one of our friend, he is Hansadat Lohani.
Okay.
Now he is a DIG at BSF.
Okay.
It's a big position. So he passed through the NDA exam, National Defense Academy. So after his 6 months, he came back in the vacations. Then he started speaking fluent English. Sap, 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 sap. And I used to feel bouncer. ये क्या चल क्या है? So then I went and I said, Hansa, बहुत हो गया, अब हमको भी सिखा. Then he told, you start reading newspaper, start reading comics, start reading some journals. And at that time, college days,
Yes.
कौन journal पढ़ता है? Used to read some other thing which I cannot tell here.
Right.
But that book also helped me a lot.
Yes.
That also helped me a lot. So I used to pick up some words, pick up some phrases. Slowly and gradually we started learning. So those type of things, obviously, we have also encountered.
Yes.
But as I said, I never, as of now also, I don't shy away. If I don't know anything, I'll say, Alok ji, मुझे नहीं पता. Can you please explain? Because I'm not that type of guy who will just nod his head, yes, 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 yes. No.
Right.
I'm very clear. If I don't know, I don't know. If I know, then I start talking.
Yes.
So that is the one fundamental thing each one should understand. Nothing is tough. If you can reach at moon, if you can start thinking of a SpaceX as a company where people go and spend some time at moon.
Right.
So English क्या चीज है यार? It's just a matter of time only. Just a matter of time. बस Nike का स्लोगन याद रखना पड़ेगा. Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it. करने का है, कुछ सोचने का नहीं है. लोगों ने हवा बना दिया. Actually, people have made such a big. If you don't know English, your life is going to be somehow. You're going to lose something. Nothing is going to happen. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है.
Yes.
But that doesn't mean you should not learn. You should learn. You should learn.
Absolutely.
Slowly and gradually you should learn. Learning, integrating. That should be the fundamental thing. And one thing which many of my friends they do, even my colleagues do, my subordinate, my junior they do. Once they listen to any of maybe Tony Robbins or anyone, they note down a good line, a good sentence, or maybe a good word, and they note down the copy. I said, why are you writing it down? Because something which you're writing and not using, just like having a dictionary.
Right.
You have a dictionary in the house, it is everything is written there now.
Yes.
So why are you writing it down? So if you write, so if you need to learn and integrate.
Right.
Once you learn, integrate, and then reproduce.
Yes.
So it is a three-way. Learn, integrate means running through your head, then reproduce. Once you do this three things, definitely things are going to be very easy.
Right. Absolutely. Harpal replies, bhag lo ya bhag lo. So only two options are available with us. And Harpal and Raj both are related to bhag. So शायद उनके मुंह से पहले यही आता है. So both are runners and both are pacers. So it's absolutely true, Harpal. Bhag lo ya bhag lo. We have to show some courage. And yes, those emotions are really tough to deal with. When we feel low, it's very tough, and that's a real time situation. When somebody is speaking very good in English, it's a really tough situation for us if we are not very good and well versed with all the expressions he or she is using. So yes, managing your emotions is the key of learning something in the real time. Because acknowledging that, yes, I don't know this right now, should not make you feel low, should not make you feel bad. It should make you feel like, yes, this is the opportunity. This is one more opportunity for me to learn something new, which I did not know till my latest past. So जैसे अभी भी मुझे थोड़ी सी तकलीफ हो गई बोलने में, तो that's okay. We are the people who are continuous learners, and we have to keep on learning. We have to keep on adding something new to our basket so that tomorrow is better for us. If not today, if not yesterday, tomorrow should be better for us. And learning has no end. आप कितना भी कर लो, एक लेवल तक चले जाओगे, फिर बोलोगे यार मुझे थोड़ा सा ये नहीं आता है. So not to worry about. So Archana, you did not miss much of the conversation. Raj was just sharing his experience of his past and how he became fluent in English, and whatever the level he has gone to, what was the secret of doing that. So Raj, इतने सब आप तो बहुत busy रहते हो. You travel a lot also. How do you find a time, some time for your English improvement? Or because we are not the students right now, so we cannot just sit down and start learning English. So how do you increase your vocabulary? How do you add those idioms, phrases, and you practice? Yes, one way that you regularly you make videos, so this keeps on repeating in your mind that these words, these expressions are to be well enunciated. But और क्या आप करते हैं अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने के लिए ऑन डेली बेसिस पे?
Uh, as you said, I'm busy, but still I take out time. But what I do, generally, what I do, मैं क्या करता हूँ during my travel. Suppose I'm traveling to anywhere in India, so obviously the traveling time is 3 hours or 2 hours, waiting in the airport, then boarding a flight, then again you boarding the flight. So I have some apps. I have download multiple talk show, TED Talks, CEO talks,
Yeah.
and even Sudha Murthy's stories,
Yes.
and many more things. Plus, so what I do, I just use the earphone and listen to them properly. So I listen to them because what I strongly believe, if you start reading
Right.
compared to listening at least you can have both the thing. Both means you can have the words, you can have the feeling also, and the emotions attached to that word.
Right.
So that is the way I utilize the time while traveling. And as I said, I take a conscious decision to make at least one video every day in our Speak and Grow,
Yes.
and I come live.
Right.
Once you come live, so you're throwing a challenge to yourself.
Yes.
तो चलो अब कैमरा ऑन हो चुका है, अब तो कुछ हो नहीं पाएगा, राइट? सो अब
Yes.
तो करना ही है.
करना ही है.
So once you have that fear, that not, or once you have that feeling, then nothing is going to happen.
Yes.
So this is the way I keep on adding my vocabulary, plus idiom, phrases, and I use it.
Right.
I just don't add it because, as I said, I make one video every day.
Yes.
It's maybe 47 minutes.
Yes.
So I try to add one or two new words, one or two phrases, one or two new idioms, some emotions, some body language style and all in each video. So whatever I learn, I do this churning in my head,
Right.
then reproduce via this video making. So this is one. Other people can do if you are not comfortable with video. Everybody has an Android phone,
Yes.
and they can record their own voice. So what they can do, they can just sit in their room, close their eyes, and speak for 5 minutes,
Yes.
2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then again listen to their own speech. They'll understand: are they speaking fast? Are they using the right language?
Right.
Are they using the right phrases? Are they pronouncing the words properly or not? So this has to be constant. Effort has to be done from each one of us.
Right.
But sometimes I feel it's very unfortunate. Sometimes people watch maybe web series.
Yes.
They watch news for hours and hours and hours and hours. Obviously, watching news is a good one, but
Yes.
half an hour is quite good enough.
Right.
And obviously, you should have some entertainment. You should watch something, but you should take out at least half an hour every day. Either you read something, or listen to some podcast, or listen to some videos,
Yes.
and write those things, and again reproduce it.
Reproduce it.
So this is a fundamental thing, because मुझे नहीं लगता है ऐसे कोई कोर्स है इंडिया में या कहीं पे जो आप 1 लाख रुपए देंगे आपको कैप्सूल दे देगा.
Yeah.
आप एक कैप्सूल रखिए और धनाधन अंग्रेजी बोलिए, ये तो होली टाइम, राइट?
Never ever.
अदरवाइज अदरवाइज यू व्हाट, अदरवाइज तो फिर तो कोई भी आके ले लेगा,
कोई भी ले लेगा.
करेक्ट? सो इट इज सिंपल.
Yeah.
आपको एवरीवन हैज टू अंडरस्टैंड, नहीं, आई हैव टू लर्न.
Right.
365 days in a year, राइट? एक दिन में एक वर्ड बस.
Yes.
365 into एक वर्ड, तो एक साल में 365 वर्ड्स मिल गया.
365 words होंगे.
बहुत होते हैं. You can
Absolutely.
you can do juggling with the 365 words, and you can
Yes.
easily manage these things.
Absolutely.
Because if you see YM's always repeating that small steps, because हम लोग रनर है, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अगर रन करना है for a long distance, you have to be on the road.
Yeah.
You have to be on the road, have to be run for maybe 5, 6, 8 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours,
Right.
and you have to have a fundamental very strong.
Yes.
That learning I take and use into this one of learning English. So this is the way I learn, and this is the best way I feel, because I have not joined any English classes or something like that. It's just I make a decision, I make my awareness
Yes.
I focus and make my awareness to goes to those part of my brain
Right.
where I store some new words, and I take those feelings and make those feelings come here.
Yes.
जवान पे ले आता हूँ, मुझे अपना अंग्रेजी और क्या चाहिए.
Right. And absolutely, it is said, unless and until it becomes your muscle memory, it's very difficult to learn, leave apart English, learn any language for that matter. So it has to become your muscle memory, then it becomes very easy for you. So as you said, very true, we are consuming a lot of content, but we are not internalizing and then reproducing those things. So it clearly evinces that you have to learn something, then you have to reproduce it, and this will be memorized by you in a long run. So that's the very clear cut. And believe me, Raj, I attended almost 10 to 15 classes of English speaking since my college days till now. Say 1 week before I concluded one more class that was of grammar, because I felt I was missing a bit of the grammar as such. So I started those classes, but still I feel that nothing can produce any value in your life unless until you do it yourself. As you said, very true, just do it. So do it, repeat it. If you don't even get it in 1 repetition, 2 repetition, 10 repetition, do it 50 times. But unless and until you do it, that's for sure you're not going to reproduce it any which way. So this is what
I will give one example which maybe the youngsters can correlate.
Yeah.
If you see this t-shirt which I'm wearing, it's of Ferrari.
Yeah.
Right.
Absolutely.
So if you see the F1 car race,
Yeah.
so what they do, the moment a race has started, they have to complete 24 or 36 laps.
Okay.
During the laps, they have to come back to the pit stop,
Yeah.
change the tires,
Yes.
refuel it, and again go back to the track.
Right.
So the race doesn't stop. It doesn't stop.
Yes.
इसका मतलब क्या? चलता हुआ गाड़ी में आपको चढ़ना है.
चढ़ना है.
चलता हुआ गाड़ी में चढ़ के चलते गाड़ी को ठीक करना है. गाड़ी चलते चलते आपको धीरे धीरे उसको सारा पूजा बराबर लगाने का है.
Yes.
So if you start thinking that I will first have an excellent car,
Right.
full, so वो कभी नहीं होने वाला है. It's not
Yes.
going to happen. And if at all it will happen, you're missing this opportunity, na? Suppose I say, chalo, 2021, 1 year I learned everything, English,
Yes.
grammar, pronunciation, everything. So I have missed 1 year of opportunity. So
Yes.
as a marketer, what we say, the window of opportunity, you should not never miss that opportunity.
Right.
Because if you miss the opportunity, someone will come and take the opportunity. So चलता हुआ गाड़ी में करने का है, और इतना टेंशन लेने का जरूरत नहीं है.
टेंशन इसलिए और बढ़ा दिया है राज, every second person you go on YouTube or you go on Facebook also, they will just make you fearful of English. If you don't know English, your career is abolished. If you don't know English, you cannot grow in your life. So people have been frightened.
sorry to interrupt. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Actually, I have this is a very big problem.
Yes.
The moment you watch any YouTube ना, all of a
Yes.
sudden you say आपका अंग्रेजी कमजोर है, तो आप इंटरव्यू दे नहीं पाएंगे.
Yes.
Is your English is a hindrance for your progress?
Right.
Are you going to attend some interview? Are you
Yes.
going to attend some what is it, review of a company? So
Right.
then English is must.
Yes.
वो इतना डरा देते लगता है पता नहीं बाबा इंग्लिश में तो मर जाएंगे. अरे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Nothing going to happen. Sky is not going to fall.
Absolutely. So yeah, this is the most important reason why people they fear more of English, and since the fear has been instilled in the people's mind, learning becomes really tough for everybody. It happened with me also because I used to fear a lot about English. Although I got very good marks almost in all the academic years, I got distinction in English, but I was not able to speak in English as soon as I was out of the college. So that's the reason that the culture is not been inculcated in our education system, that you speak more rather than you score more. So that's how it goes like. So thank you very much, Raj, for your practical tips. And in this busy schedule also, how do you manage your learning management? You take a book and take a record of your learning management. That's incredible because at your position, इंग्लिश लर्निंग ये सब यदि किसी और को बताने जाएंगे तो लोग बोलेंगे सर अभी आकर के क्या इंग्लिश लर्निंग है. But hats off to your humbleness that you say still I am learning English and I am taking so many steps to increase my vocabulary, to increase my communication skills. So I hope each and everybody who has joined us and who will be watching it later on, they will also definitely get some insights for their learning also, and moreover the courage to keep on going, whether you are delivering it right or not at this particular moment, tomorrow will definitely come and it will be of yours. I have seen people, they were zero, almost zero on day one as far as English speaking is concerned, but on after 6 months, on 181st day, they were absolutely fluent without any diffidence. And they were going absolutely fluent and comfortable, cool, calm, composed with English. So this is how it happens. Nothing to worry about, just keep on practicing. कोई उम्र नहीं होती है सीखने की, बस सीखते जाओ, चलते जाओ. I learn from my daughter. That's how. She speaks well. I learn from my daughter and she teaches me. That's how it goes. So कोई उम्र नहीं होती है. So just keep on learning and keep on doing. So thank you very much, Raj, for taking time out from your busy schedule and being live
Yeah.
with me in English Asan series. And hope we'll
Thank
meet
you,
again.
thank you, Anuj. Thank you very much for inviting me, and the tagline and the your English आसान है is actually one good thing which everyone will correlate and get connected. So you are
Yeah.
doing a wonderful job. Actually, I'm telling you, you're doing a noble work, which of us, many of the people who will watch this, who will follow you, they will say thanks from here. यहाँ से thanks बोलेंगे.
Right.
So excellent one. Thank you very much.
और ये मैंने इसीलिए चालू किया था राज, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट द परफेक्ट वन इन इंग्लिश एंड आई एम इनवाइटिंग द पीपल हु आल्सो फील दैट दे आर नॉट परफेक्ट. सो दिस कॉम्बिनेशन विल मेक पीपल कंफर्टेबल कि हाँ यार, लोग इतना तो बोल पा रहे हैं, आज 60% तो बोल पा रहे हैं, 70% तो बोल पा रहे हैं, दे आर सक्सेसफुल. You being at the one of the topmost layer on the any of the organizational structure, you being there and still if you say I'm not perfect in English, so this gives a boost to somebody कि यार जरूरी नहीं कि सिर्फ इंग्लिश आएगी तभी आप जाओगे. There are so many other factors which make you successful, not only English. इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी कर लो और काम ही ना करो तो क्या हो जाएगा. So that's how I created this concept कि ऐसे लोगों को बुलाओ जिन्होंने खुद से सीखा है, जो सक्सेसफुल है, so they can motivate others कि भैया सक्सेस सिर्फ इंग्लिश से नहीं आती है, इंग्लिश is just one factor, very minute factor, and you keep on doing this. So thank you very much. So ladies and gentlemen, this was our beautiful
Thank
and
you.
wonderful and smartest guest because he's a runner, he's a pacer, and you can learn from him about athletics, about running. If you want some guidance from Raj, he will always be there for your help. And my name is Alok Joshi, student of public speaking and human behavior, and now an English language enthusiast. So watching you smiling over there. We'll meet again with the same smile. Thank you very much. Thank you, Raj.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye.
Good night. Thank you.